How to appear online on Facebook? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to appear online on Facebook, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So this is really simple. You must go into your Facebook and now tap in the hamburger menu or the three horizontal lines. Now you scroll down a little until you get the settings and privacy, and now settings. Here there is your profile control preferences, so I'm going into my profile settings, and in this first menu in my privacy, the fifth option is active status. So if I click on it, this is the option, so you won't see when your friends and connections are active or recently active on this profile. So this is like a two-way option. You're not gonna be able to see if everybody's active, but anyone is gonna know if you are active or not. So you can tap and activate it and deactivate this option. So if I want to appear online on Facebook, I want to make this active, and this is how to appear online in Facebook. Thanks for watching.